Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. My name is Marjorie Diwe. I'm 27 years old from Rizal, San Guillermo, Isabela, Philippines. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I am happily with my live-in partner, and we have a child ages 3 years old. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve one couple and they have a child ages 5 years old. My duties are cleaning, cooking, dishwashing, washing clothes, marketing, ironing, and car washing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to help my family and build a new house. I am willing to take good care of newborn babies, toddlers, children, and elderly. To my future employer, please choose me as a housemaid because you can trust me everything. I am responsible, hardworking, honest, and patient to your children. I will respect the whole family and I would love your children as my own. I promise to finish my contract and I'll do my best to make my duties and responsibilities as a housemaid. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.